Look, they're still hitting each other. She's eating something. That's a boy.
Oh, maybe he's choking him.
Oh, look.
Tired.
Old one, yeah. What's wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah, can't talk with
Younger's
you
got the
because-
upper hand.
Where's Cookie? Oh my god, I think he killed the gray one. Look, it has him through by the neck. Oh. ¿Qué pasó?
Ahí está Cookie, ahí está Cookie.
Ahí está Cookie.
Abajo del carro. Ahí está Cookie.
And there's the hole. Look, there's the hole right there. She's under the car. This is a good TikTok video.
Esos dos gatos no conocemos.
Meow!
We just heard he's not loose. Look at his bloody nose.
Oh my god. Is there a full moon? Is this...
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you see that?
How is it still lost in translation?
I don't know what's going on. I feel bad too. I think we should go separate them. I feel like we should.
Ahí está Cookie abajo del carro.
Hey, can you put the light on Cookie? Because I need them to know who the bitch is. Right there. Look at her. She's hiding. Okay.
Yep, there you go.
Yeah,
That's Cookie.
That's Cookie. That's the girl that's causing all of this.
Oh, Cookie's just watching,
Yeah.
so she's safe.
Oh my god. Okay, leave him alone.
Kill both of them.
Let's go kill both of them. Oh, the gray cat. I feel bad for the gray cat.
He's an old man. Like Jimmy's dad had him for a while.
Oh, that's Jimmy's dad's cat. Oh,
Yeah.
oh crap. Where?
Babe, go get him so you can.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, he's injured. Hi.
Go get him.
He doesn't care. That